The two astronauts are undergoing a pressure check right now. Some of the procedures just counting down to starting today's spacewalk. Victor Glover is already inside the equipment lock, and that safer unit, simplified aid for EVA rescue, is already off. This was the 235th spacewalk in support of station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades. It was the third conducted in 2021, the fourth spacewalk for Expedition 64. For Kate Rubins, this is the third spacewalk in her career. Her career total is now 19 hours, 50 minutes, 50 minutes. This is also the third spacewalk of Victor Glover's career. His total 19 hours, 20 minutes. Today's spacewalk lasted 7 hours, 4 minutes, beginning 5:12 a.m. Central, ending 12:16 p.m. Central Time. And the total spacewalking time for all 235 spacewalks aboard the International Space Station come out at 61 days, 4 hours, and 11 minutes.